So here we are, guys. We're in Portmore, Newland to be exact. Yeah, nice, busy afternoon. And we're with Big Boss.
What are you doing, man?
I like for your run come out fast, quick and fast, meeting on the roadside. I have a busy Friday.
As usual, they don't put in the media where they know what's going on at time.
Oh, media thing, you know?
Yeah, man.
Oh, where I say?
Yeah, man. What's much to me exact, innit?
Yeah? Which side are you side on the football thing?
Oh, yeah, especially when Liverpool to the ending. What?
Yeah, so we're going to cut this thing short because this gentleman has committed no Liverpool around here. None. Man, you all day, every day, right?
You're here.
Ready. You see me not ready? Yes.
Yes.
Anyway, I want one package for you, brother. Really appreciate your passion. I must tell you that. You know, you going and coming and always using us. We appreciate that.
Yeah,
so I just want to tell you big up. By the way, you're a platinum customer?
Yes, sir.
You are? Okay, so that means I can ask you something about platinum membership. What is the cost of platinum membership? $25, $45, or free of cost?
Oh, platinum membership is free of cost.
Say it again.
Oh, the platinum membership is free of cost.
Yes.
Just a button click away.
Platinum membership is only a button click away. Free! What are you waiting on? Free of cost. The man I got benefit from all of everything what platinum they present. Don't.
Which is me.
You ready?
Every time.
Yeah, big up yourself. Really appreciate it. Alright? Thanks much. So here you have it, guys. On the delivery trail. Of course, you know, Platinum Day is coming. Prepare yourself. Prepare yourselves. See you up the road.